If you are looking for the best high ticket affiliate marketing programs, these are the ones you should check this out. There's free training right here that you can learn that's for free with free video presentation and everything. Check this out. These testimonials and these results are amazing. I see these results and these people showing how much money they're making on a daily basis. I'm seeing dozens of people every single day with this particular program, and the links are on the description right below this video. Okay, this is one of them, and there's another one as well, but this is my number one recommended way. Like, these students' results are the craziest I've ever seen. Like, for example, look at her, Berta. Yes, she made one day $4,775 while at her granny's house. She's making thousands of dollars every single day. She's killing it. Her right now as well, Luisa, $5,700 in just 3.5 weeks. Matt, 2.8K. Right here, Maya, $2,776 commission while on an amazing call with her mentor. Right here, she made $3,164.79. Dal just made this. Right here, Jen just made almost 1K in her sleep. Right here, the CRM made 4.5K in 1 week. Hannah made $4,000 in 1 week. Cecilia, $1,000 on holiday. Ivan, $3,500 for one sale. Lexi, $5,800 for one sale. Haley, $6,600 just for one sale. This one right here, this is the same person, the same lady, okay? Lindsay made 3 huge sales in just 1 day. She's always showing up on a daily basis pretty much. She made $4,000 a day right here. First she made $2,776 for one sale, then $345, and then another sale for $1,000 for a total of about 4K day. There's more. There's so many people showing up every single day here, and there's other people that are not showing their income. This is crazy. This is the first link that you're gonna find in the description. Okay, you can register for the video. It's just a free video that you can learn how they're doing this, the strategies that they're doing this. This is what you're gonna learn, how to re-upload other people's content to make passive recurring income in less than 57 minutes per day, and how you can get your hands on this too for $0 today. You just click on the first link on the description. This is my number one recommended way to make money online, and you're gonna discover how regular people wake up with an additional $1,000 to $5,000 plus per day in their bank accounts every single day, without needing to create their own products, our websites, run ads, or personally sell anything ourselves. You can just click on here and register for the video. You're gonna come here, and it's gonna show you a link, rather a button. Just watch the video, register to watch the free training. Then I also recommend this program right here. It's great too. This is another high ticket affiliate marketing program. This has been around for a long time. This is the 15-day challenge. So on this one is a free video that you can just watch really quick. This is a 15-day challenge, okay? And you can click on the second link right below on the description as well, and it's gonna show you here. You can play the video, and David Sharp is gonna talk to you more about the 15-day challenge. This is not free, but it's really cheap. It's a 15-day online business builder for only like $7. And this is what you can learn, what you're gonna be learning each day, and it's divided in each day. So you wanna watch one day, they're gonna block the rest of the day so you can focus day by day, so you don't get overwhelmed, because a lot of people just get overwhelmed with all this learning about affiliate marketing and all this stuff. So you don't get overwhelmed. You can just watch one day at a time. So day one, the number one secret to starting and scaling a high ticket business. Day two, the core 4 high ticket business models online. Day 3, watch me build a business in under 30 minutes. It's a great training. It's a 15-day challenge right here. It's great. And then once you're done with the 15 days, then you can become an affiliate as well and sell this program. So the $7 is only the front end offer, but then there's high ticket offers as well where you can make big commissions. That's the idea of this funnel. And then you will also be getting bonuses, customized high ticket business plan, very cool. You're gonna be talking with people on the phone. They can customize the plan for you, and that's just for the $7 of this challenge. Also Facebook ads templates, high ticket email templates. You also gonna get high ticket video scripts, high ticket phone scripts, Bonus 6, personal one-on-one business plan consultation with an advisor from their team right here. Bonus 7, a copy of David Sharp's top converting high-ticket affiliate marketing funnels. This is crazy. And yeah, that's over $3,576 in value, but you're just getting it today for just $7. And he explains to you why. There's also a 30-day money-back guarantee, risk-free, and there's tons and tons of perks. Why I recommend this one too. So you can try both if you like. That's what I did. I watched this free training, register for the video. The first link is a free video. You're gonna learn a lot of good stuff, and then also you can take the 15-day challenge, and then you're gonna become an affiliate for this program as well. And then maybe you can get coached by this same system and be a better affiliate marketer and have a better business where you can just make a lot of money remotely from anywhere in the world with affiliate marketing. With both of these, you can do that with both of these. So I highly recommend you to check this out. This is crazy. This testimonials here and these stories and this success is crazy on this one, but this one as well. This one is really good, and they teach great foundations, and I love both. This is my number one though. So check it out. Check out whichever you want. You need to take action. These are the best high-ticket affiliate marketing programs. They make a bunch of money. They've been around for a while now, and they just keep growing and growing. The resources are on the link below, and also please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I keep coming up with more videos about affiliate marketing, free traffic, social media, making money online in general, and digital marketing, everything in one place right here on this channel. I keep posting a lot of content every single day. This is a brand new channel, but I already have over 70 videos right here, and I'm gonna keep posting more. So share these videos, share this channel with people that need help in this crazy economy. If you need help, watch more videos about this, and I hope to see you on the top. Thank you.